Welcome to Numbers Simplified, a channel that seeks to simplify and solve numerical problems. Today we'll be looking at the pros and the cons of the synthetic and long division of polynomials. Without further ado, let's look at the example. We are going to present the example and solve them using the two methods, in case you might have forgotten. The pros of the synthetic division. 1. Computationally cheap, as it requires less computations, and for those who are in the coding of its algorithm, you would know that it uses less electricity and resources. 2. Easy and straightforward. Prior knowledge of laws of indices and algebra are not a prerequisite, since we'll be using basic mathematical operations, like the addition and multiplication. 3. It is compact. It saves space, especially when working on paper. 4. Considering pros 2 and 3, it is eco-friendly, saving electricity, resources, and paper. 5. It is ideal for the factor and remainder theorem. These are quickly obtained. 6. Fast, as it saves on the time. The cons. 1. Time consuming for some problems. In the divisions, as we may have to divide a number of times before we get the final solution. Take, for instance, the example that we have. In the divisor, we might need to separate the divisor into 2 by factorization so that we have x minus 1 or x plus 1. 2. Impractical for most nonlinear divisors. 3. The coefficient of x may need to be considered and be kept as 1, as in the example given below. We might need to convert the x to 1, then apply the synthetic method afterwards. The pros of the long division method is what we'll be looking at next. 1. Practical for all types of divisors. It is applicable to both linear and nonlinear divisors, and is a reliable method. 2. Computational errors are easily observed, though it's subjective. And 3. Applicable to the factor and remainder theorem. Moving on to the cons. 1. Working knowledge of polynomials is required, and making sure that one understands the laws of indices algebra. 2. Time consuming. It takes much time to be executed. 3. It's not compact in terms of the space. 4. Eco and friendly, considering cons 2 and 3, as it uses up more resources. 5. Cumbersome for both the factor and remainder theorem. And 6. Computationally expensive, especially in rectifying the error. Choice of the division method depends on 1. The purpose of the problem. Knowing whether one is required to show a step-by-step working rather than the final solution is key. The synthetic would be ideal where the final solution is the goal, and the long division for the step-by-step working. 2. The nature of the assessment, exam, or test. It's of great importance to exercise due diligence in the expected type of solutions. Such could be obtained from instructors, educators, past examination papers, etc. And 3. The type of the divisor. Synthetic division is more suitable for linear divisors, and the long division for nonlinear divisors. With that said, I hope the video shared some insight. I leave you with the following task. Which division method would you use for the following task? Make sure to write your answer in the comment section, and I'll be glad to find out the answer that you obtained. Remember, your comments are always welcome. Let me know the topics you want us to look at together and the ways we can improve our channel. Thanks for watching Numbers Simplified. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. God loves you.